Hey guys, all right, we're going to select the members only freebies, and that does include, so I had questions, it does include anybody outside the United States, because I'm not selling you anything. I can ship you something for free and nobody cares. I can't sell you some stuff, depending on where you're at, but I can definitely send you anything I want for free. Now, if you do win and you're overseas, I'm probably gonna hit you up for shipping. I'm not charging anything for this, but I'll probably hit you up for shipping. Inside the United States, I'll just send it to you. You know, it costs me 20, 30 bucks, whatever. So anyways, you're gonna get, this is a polished super sniper, and it has a bass tune, comes with wiring harness, comes with everything. So we made sure that it all runs and works and fits. You can see here. And you'll just go through the handheld programmer and do it all yourself. For whatever application you're going to put it on, or you can sell it. I don't care. I'm just giving it to you. All right. So let's go in. Tim put everybody's name that is a member. So all members and only members that have already been here for this since the beginning, or all the way, all the way up till before I announced this, are eligible. So let's go in there and we'll spin the wheel. Has all the names in. So here we go. We have the random name selector. Everybody's name is in there. Go ahead and click. Spins. Whose name is it? Benny Slusser. All right, Benny. We're gonna send you, try to send you a notification. If it's something that you don't want, you want to wait, you want to get into a different giveaway, that's cool. Don't care. Otherwise, you'll be in here and you won't be eligible to win another something for, I don't know, probably at least a month. But anyways, we'll send you some kind of notification. If I don't hear back from you, I'll have to pick somebody else, one way or the other. And also, if you guys are not getting notifications, what do you got to do, Kyle, to get the notifications, or Tim?
Should be a little notification bell.
Press the bell next to the subscribe button down below the video.
Press the bell below the subscribe button on the video so you get notifications when I send out a member-only video. I think a lot of people aren't getting notifications. For example, we have 200 members and only 85 or 95 people looked at the video, so probably didn't get a notification or something like that. So that's less than half. So anyways, that's it. We'll do something next week.